Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Beauty by Ada here. I know it's been a minute. Okay, I took a little break from YouTube, and yeah, I'm happy that I am back now. So today I am going to be showing you guys how I did this knotless box braid on my daughter's hair. This is a short fussy hair, as you can see. So I'll be showing you guys how I did this beautiful knotless box braid. So this is more like a kids knotless box braid, an easy style you can do for kids, and it do last a whole while. So this is a very self-explanatory video, like you can already see what I am doing, and I have a whole lot of videos on knotless box braid. Just go down on my videos to my channel and then you will see so many of them, so you don't even feel confused or anything. I have so many videos down there that are like for beginners and everything, what have you. Just go ahead and click away, watch away. Okay, so I am so happy to be back. Like you guys, it has been so stressful. I have been so stressed out lately, and I have been so busy, and I've had a whole lot going on. So I just decided to take a little break from YouTube. Even the last couple of videos that I put out has been like videos that I like pre-recorded and already put up for so I have been away, but yeah, I am back. So this video, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you to everyone that has been supporting me. Thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate, even though I wasn't posting, but I saw people still watching some of my videos, so I really appreciate that, and I don't take it for granted. Thank you guys so much. And of course, if you have not subscribed and you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do go ahead to click that subscribe button. Click on the notification bell as well, so you don't miss my next upload. You are welcome to my channel. So this channel is going to be revamped soon. Yeah, I am so excited about the coming stuff. I have my business, my hair business, that I'm about to launch, and I have so many things going on. I have just been busy working behind the scene, so I have my hair business that I am about to launch. I have so many things going on, so I will definitely fill you guys in, because of course it's everything related to beauty. As you know, my channel is all about beauty, like everything beauty, from hair tutorial to makeup tutorials to everything beauty you can think of, just name it, skincare routines and everything. So I'll be showing you guys more videos. I'm coming back stronger, and I'll be showing you guys more videos. I'll be now I'll try as much as possible to stay more consistent. So yeah, that is why I am just so happy. I feel so relieved because I'm feeling a lot better right now. So yeah, I am so happy that I am doing this finally. I just noticed, like, I just realized how much I have missed filming and doing voiceovers and basically doing what I love doing. Of course, I am a makeup artist and a hairstylist, so it's basically just what I love doing. So I just realized these few weeks that I've been away, that I actually miss doing it. Okay, so I am happy that I am back. So back and better, of course. So you guys be expecting more content, loads and loads of content, beauty, everything, more makeup tutorials. I'm getting everything ready, more makeup tutorials, more hair tutorials, more skincare routines and everything. Just anything beauty that you can think of, you will definitely find it on this channel. So if that sounds like what you like or what you would like to see, do go ahead and click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is like a welcome back video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Of course you will. Don't forget to comment, leave your comments in the comment section, whatever it is, be it a welcome back, whatever, be it about the video, about the hair, any questions at all you have, do go ahead and leave that in the comment section. And if you have anything else, of course, leave that. Any video suggestion, any video idea, beauty related, do go ahead and leave that in the comment section for me. Okay, And yeah, leave a comment, like this video, share this video with your friends and family so they can learn how to do a knotless box braid as well. All that is definitely free and it helps my channel, so please do go ahead and do that. Like, share, subscribe, click on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. I'll be waiting for you guys, so make sure you do watch this video till the end. I'll be waiting for you at the end of the video, and I have something important to tell you, so I'll tell you guys by the end of the video. Okay, keep watching and I hope you enjoy. how it came out. It came out really beautiful. And yeah, I am trimming the hair. After that, I'll just dip the ends in hot water, and our hair is ready and she is ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you really learned one thing or two. And yeah, what I wanted to say was, like, look out for my business. My hair business will be launching soon, so do look out for that, as it will be out soon. Of course, her hair is looking so beautiful. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.